Mm. A lot easier siya actually if ang taas mo inyuhang ikat. Masayon siya. Ang taas. Mm. Wow, look! Dako kayo. Hey guys, naatag karon lobster. Gikan ni Councilor Jag Bakal. So salamat kayo sir for sponsoring this Noon's Lobster guys. So they're actually selling this one all over Cebu. And they'll be also offering this in Argao. So in case you wish to order lobster, so feel free to message me or direct message Cons Jag sa iyang Facebook or yung Facebook page. So I'll be showing you how I cook this one because he said mas sayon daw if i-steam siya, more flavorful and more Instagrammable siya if i-steam compared sa butter garlic na pag-cook kay kailangan siya pikasundaan. So, I'll show you how I steam this one and I'll show you how we enjoyed the lobster sponsored by Cons Jag. Thank you so much. Ano siya kadako? Up late each night, drinking wine, options at your every side. It must be amazing. Well, look at you, that crooked smile. Just stay there for a little while, 'cause this won't last. Just drink it up, this night's for you, and everybody knows it too. I raise my glass. Beautiful girl. Life bestowed to you can make you sad, 'cause no one sees inside of you, they just see what they wanna do, and that's rough, darling. So here's my thought, just shake it off, just walk where all the sand is soft. But wait, is that you calling? So ako nang kuan og rubber band ang lobster. We have 7 lobsters here. Then I'm cleaning it with water. And gaandam na po ko diri og margarine plus garlic because we ran out of butter. And then nagpapalit na po ko og Sprite para ilami siya, musok ang maabsorb sa lobster ang Sprite. So fingers crossed lami siya. We'll let you know in a bit. Oh, we only have 6 days, 6. So, this is halfway cooked. I'm still waiting for the Sprite. Yeah.
What's it like to have the whole world smitten, stumbling over their words? What's it like to have the lights surrounding you? What's it like to be misunderstood? What's it like to be cool? What's it like to be a next door neighbor? What's it like to be you? Beautiful girls, the world is yours. Beautiful girls, the world is yours.
So guys, mauna ni ang finished product. Akong gilutuan og margarine, garlic, and Sprite. Enjoy! Remove the head first and then cut the tummy of the lobster.
What happened?
Lami, lab?
No, the head. It's gonna be hurt.
Dakog unod, no?
Mama, the head.
Be, I don't know. I'll try. So, mauna ni ang naluto na lobsters and I'll be trying one right now. It's going to be my first time actually nagkaon dagko na lobster. Please ko sa gunting, lab.
Okay?
So, ako ra gisunod ang gibuhat ni kid. Remove the head first.
And cut the tummy.
And then, mauna ni ang unod,
And
cut the tummy. Cut the tummy.
Then what's next?
And then, open it.
Open it.
Mauna ni ihang unod, guys. Ito nga. So, it actually tastes like shrimp. Mao gyud na ang first gisulti na ni kid nako.
I love it. Hi guys, I love it.
Okay, tell them.
Hi guys, I love the shrimp.
The lobster.
I love the lobster.
Yes. Lami ni isaw-saw o kanang naisili.
Mama, I'm hungry again. Give me some more.
Okay.
Come on.
Dali. Hingitan ka. Dali.
No, put some
Ay,
here.
pabutang niya sa plato.
How am I gonna remove this?
Pasalamat dito ni Corns Jug for sponsoring the lobsters today for lunch namo. If
I
you
love
want
lobsters.
If you want to order, please contact Counselor Jag Lucero Bacalso in Facebook. And they're also selling labtingaw na danggit, half-dried fish. 250 pesos lang to ang labtingaw. And for this one, I don't really know the price sa lobster nila. So, please do message them privately in Facebook. So, this is my second. Kagi-share na ko akong first lobster with Kiddy. Unod.
Then put some more.
Okay. A lot easier siya actually if ang taas mo inyong ikat. Masayon siya. Ang taas. Wow, look! Dako kayo. Half ta. Here.
Guys, a grass.
Rice, oh. Oh, ikaw lang? This one. Careful. Mauni ang iyang sauce. Iyang margarine plus garlic and Sprite.
Well, am I gonna remove this red?
No? Thank you so much once again for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Love you. Bye!